Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video on Wix website. So first is head over to wix.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, click on edit site and from your Wix website editor page, in the left panel, click on the media icon. Then start uploading your media. So you can upload from other social media platforms or from your computer. Just click on upload media icon, then upload from computer. Select the video you want to add on your website and open it. Just wait for your video to finish loading or uploading. So once your video is done uploading, you can now proceed by adding it to your page. Just click on Add to Page button. And from here, you can customize settings for your video, how it is going to be played by your viewers. So how does it start to play automatically or when they click it, can also play in slow-mo or if it's looping. And once everything is done, you can publish your page with your newly added video. Just click on the publish button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!